In this video, we're going to take a look at an electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cells are non-spontaneous reactions, so they require a power supply. And the power supply here is attached to two carbon electrodes. The carbon electrodes are black and have electricity that will pass through them. They're not both black. The carbon electrodes are black, but not the wires. So I'm going to place my two electrodes into the solution, and I'm going to turn on the power supply. Now I've got in here water, copper 2 ions, which are blue, sulfate ions, and then the copper electrodes. One of the electrodes is bubbling, so it's a little hard to see, but the electrode on your left has got bubbles of gas being generated, and the electrode on your right does not. And so we'll see if we can get that a little bit closer to you so you can see the bubbles of gas being generated. Still a little difficult to see, but you'll see bubbles of gas being generated at the one electrode, and at the other electrode there is not gas being produced. If we let this run for a short while, we'll see the product being produced at the one electrode. The product being produced there is actually a copper colored product, and so the copper 2 has been converted to copper solid, so we're actually refining copper 2 ions into copper solid. And if we let this run for a long period of time, we would coat the whole piece of copper 2 or the whole electrode with copper solid from copper 2, or we would run out of copper 2 ions.